What's up, YouTube? Today, we're going to be reviewing and doing a mukbang as well. We having chicken Alfredo with green beans. And we having the new Mountain Dew Summer Freeze. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hold up. I'm hoping this is good. You know, that's actually not that bad, actually. I like that. I like this. I like that. It does taste like the ice pop. Or the bomb pops. Popsicles. That's good. I give it a 10. I give that a 10. That's good. That's my... Yeah. Now it's time to eat. What is he barking at? I'm watching a stream of one now. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna enjoy my food and stuff so I can watch TV. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today, though. But anyways, yeah. Tomorrow my mom's leaving back to Rob's, which I'm happy about. Let's grow. Oh. But anyways, I'm gonna love and leave you guys. If you enjoyed, smash that like button, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.